The President Emilio Aguinaldo Story. He was born on March 22, 1869 at Kawit, Cavite, Philippines. He attended primary and secondary school at Colegio de San Juan de Letran. But he had to stop because of his father's death and help his mother on their farm. He joined Katipunan at early age. Then he built his own branch of Katipunan named Magdalo. They won many battles on different places of the Philippines until he was elected as the first president of the Philippines. He declared the National Independence Day on June 12, 1898 at Kawit, Cavite, Philippines. Under Philippine-American War, he was arrested by the Americans. After that, he back to his normal life at his ancestral house. He died at age 94, February 6, 1964, due to heart attack.